Forever Friends by Carin Berger. Winter had ended. Leaves unfurled and buds blossomed. High up on a branch sat a small blue bird. Snug in a log below slept a little brown bunny. "Hello, come play," sang the bird, and the bunny did. Soon they were friends. They played all spring and summer. Right through till late fall. "Now I must fly south," said the bird. "But I promise come spring I'll be back." The forest felt cold and lonely. The bunny missed the bird. The bird missed the bunny too. December, January, February. At last, the sun chased away the snow. Spring had come once more. One morning, after waiting so long, the bunny awoke to the most wonderful song. Come play," sang the bird. And, with a leap of joy, the bunny did. They were forever friends. The end.
Hi everybody! If you like this video, subscribe here for more. Bye!